interesting going on.
It's quite a clever bit of design. Right, let's get that new one in. Holes all line up.
Just about. A bit jiggery.
I don't think you got that one in. Does that seem a bit? Is it? Yeah, there's nothing it locates on, is it? And the holes lined up, has it?
Yeah, the holes perfectly lined up.
I thought it was going to be a bit cleverer than that. I thought it was going to clip in a bit better than that.
Just mostly bolts, I think.
One thing I didn't clarify is at the back of this panel, you'll notice you've got these two little tabs. I'm just doing the other side now. That one there and that one there. And they go into these little slots in the back metalwork. So just make sure you line those up and get those in. Yeah, you haven't really got any adjustment in terms of the headlight position there. Right, so with that in, so now you can see there the headlight's gonna, when we put the headlight in, it's gonna be guided up through there into there. The little rampy bit's gonna go up to there. So, right, undo those two screws that I've just put in loose at the top, Tyler. Give those to me, and let's grab the headlight and see if it all goes in and lines up. So you have to grab it there, plug the connector on the back. You can see that dangling in there. You have to get. Right, now be careful when you put this in, not to break it, because that's got to go in and under there. You got it. And then as you push it in, you should feel it sort of dock. It should guide in on those bottom runners. If you get it in the right place. Tyler's not done this before. Is it guiding there? Now it should sort of click in place. What's not clicking?
Am I being too gentle?
I think you're being too gentle. You got to give her a little thrust back. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it had caught. He had done it. The top's loose, but the bottom you can't pull it out now. The only way you'll pull it out. So if you are removing your headlights, the release tab is, I don't know if you can see it there, the light's not very good. There it is, yeah. So it's just next to the blue, and you just lift that up, that releases the ramp and it slides out. And then Tyler's just going to pop my two new fixings back on. And that is the headlight assembly, all put back together with new docking plates. So yeah, we'll put these together. Let us know if you want just the rod or a kit of the 3 bits. Or the ramp, let us know and we'll put little kits together online. Good luck with that.